करनी है ना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
for having established an exclusive bench of GAT. Now, having said that, to pick up from where the Lieutenant Governor was saying, ever since Jammu and Kashmir went through the constitutional changes on the 5th and 6th of August 2019, and then a new administrative setup came into being on the midnight of the 31st of October, there have been a series of changes one after the other. And what is happening today is actually a sequel to that. We crossed the first hurdle when we proved the prophets of doom wrong, who had predicted that there would be bloodshed, there would be earthquake, etc. and whatnot. And I have no hesitation to say that in the last 30 years of militancy, we have had the most peaceful festive season in Jammu and Kashmir. We had the festival of Eid, we had the festival of Muharram, we had the festival of Diwali, we had the festival of Holi, we had two national festivals, namely the Independence Day, the Republic Day, and there's not been a single occasion in the last 3 decades that there was not an untoward incident. This was for the first time, for which the Union Territory government deserves to be complimented. Following that, as a follow-up to that, as many as 800 central laws which had not become applicable in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have now become applicable. These are the central acts which would provide the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh the same dividends, the same benefits, the same rights and the same prerogatives which are enjoyed by the people in the rest of India. And while they have a physical equitability, the psychological barriers would also be done away with. The capacity of CAT, they will be able to do whatever is done sincerely, judiciously, and in the minimum time possible. इसके साथ साथ I would towards the end say that the Modi government is committed for justice to all, for transparency. I agree to an extent with the Chief Justice that more and more transparency would also reduce the need for litigation, will also reduce the pendency. As far as EOPD is concerned, in the center we are so much in the public domain कि हमारा कोई भी शाम को ACC का भी फैसला होता है, even before the copy of the letter of a transfer or empanelment or a promotion reaches the concerned officer, the officer is able to receive the information on the website. We are so prompt in going in public domain. And I am sure now the Lieutenant Governor regime is also heading for that, and the more and more it happens, we will have less number of litigations and also put an end to what I said, the culture of jobs by backdoor or jobs for other considerations.
Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region and Minister of State for Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions and Prime Minister's Office. The special guest of honor, Honorable Justice Gupta Mittal, the High Court of Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, the special invitee Dr. C. Chandramouli, Secretary DOPT, Honorable Justice L. Narasimha Reddy, Chairman Central Administrative Tribunal, all the members of Administrative Tribunal, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, this is one of the historical moments for the Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh that we are having one independent bench here in the Jammu and Kashmir. Although the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 provided for the tribunals, only the central and the All India Service people. This is historic because after the removal of 370 and 35A, this is one of the milestone after so many union acts were not applicable earlier and there was some kind of deprivation. This is one of the step which will provide lot of support and speedy justice disposal for the employees here. We have, after the removal of 370, Article 370 and 35 and lot many reforms have taken place, so many acts and rules of the union government have been made applicable. Like 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act, which provided for the strengthening of three-tier local, rural local bodies as well as the urban local bodies, which was not been implemented. We have started implementing that also. So many other initiatives have been taken because of this thing. This is, today we have another milestone. This is all because of the initiative of the central government and the Central Administrative Tribunal that we are getting this bench. We are very thankful. As you know, Jammu Kashmir has lot of service related matters pending with the High Court. Almost 34,000 cases are there. It is all because
for the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State for Personal Public Grievances and Pension and Prime Minister's Office. Honorable Shri Vish Chandra Marmur, Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Honorable Justice Geeta Mittal, Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. Honorable Mr. Justice L. Narasimha Reddy, Chairman, Central Administrative Tribunal. Dr. C. Chandra Mauli, Secretary, Department of Personnel and Training. Distinguished guests, members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm good morning to all of you. It is indeed a historic day today that a permanent bench of the Central Administrative Tribunal has been set up in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. We wish to express our thanks to Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh for inaugurating the 18th bench of the Central Administrative Tribunal for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is well known for his dynamism, has taken a keen and personal interest in the
on the occasion of the establishment of bench of Central Administrative Tribunal at Jammu. It would have been my pleasure to attend the function in person and in fact to hold sittings at Jammu itself.
R.S. Jain, learned judicial member of the Central Administrative Tribunal of the bench at Jammu, learned Advocate General, Additional Solicitor Generals, learned members of the executives and bar associations of Jammu, Srinagar as well as Ladakh, learned registrars of the High Court. I would also like to acknowledge Shri R.K.
पढ़नी क्या करते हो?
In a short time. Personally for me, Jammu and Kashmir is special. My immediate predecessor, Justice Pramod Kohli, hails from this place and he is now residing in Jammu. My first sitting after elevation as a judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh was
Reddy, respectable